Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. I'm thrilled to share a Gmail feature that's all about giving you control over your inbox. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use Gmail's Snooze feature. Let's jump right into it. Open your Gmail account and find an email that you want to snooze for later. Hover your mouse over the email and then you'll see a clock icon here on the right side. Click on it. Now Gmail will show you different options to snooze the email, like later, today, tomorrow, this weekend, or you can pick a custom date and time. Now choose when you want the email to reappear in your inbox and click on that option, and then Gmail will now snooze the email for you. The beauty of the snooze feature is that it helps you prioritize emails and deal with them at the right time. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Gmail snooze feature to manage your emails effectively. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on using Gmail snooze feature. See you on my next video.